Achieving a sharp jawline is a common goal for many people. There are a few different ways that you can achieve this look. One way to get a sharp jawline is through diet and exercise. Eating a healthy diet and exercising regularly can help to tone the muscles in your face and give you a more defined jawline. Another way to get a sharp jawline is through facial treatments. There are a number of different facial treatments that can help to slim down the appearance of your face and give you a sharper jawline. These treatments can include things like facial massages, face lifts, and Botox injections. No matter what method you choose, achieving a sharp jawline can help you to feel more confident and look your best. 1. Give your face a massage. If you're looking for a sharp jawline, one of the best things you can do is give your face a massage. This will help to improve circulation and make your skin look and feel more toned. To give yourself a face massage, start by applying some oil or lotion to your face. Then, using your fingertips, massage your face in a circular motion. Start at your forehead and work your way down to your chin. Be sure to avoid any sensitive areas, such as your eyes or your mouth. After you've given your face a good massage, rinse it off with warm water. You should notice a difference in the appearance of your skin immediately. Your skin will look more toned and your jawline will be more defined. 2. Apply a warm compress. Applying a warm compress to the jawline is an effective way to achieve a sharp jawline. The heat from the compress will help to loosen up the muscles and tissue in the area, allowing for a more defined jawline. To apply a warm compress, simply wet a washcloth with warm water and apply it to the jawline for about 5 minutes. Repeat this process once or twice per day for best results. 3. Use a facial steamer. If you want to achieve a sharp jawline, one of the best things you can do is use a facial steamer. This simple device can help to open up your pores and loosen up any debris that may be clogging them. Be sure to hold the steamer about 6 inches away from your face to avoid burning yourself. After a few minutes of steaming, you should follow up with a good cleansing routine. Use a gentle cleanser to wash away any dirt and oil that has been loosened up by the steamer. Pay special attention to your jawline when cleansing to remove any debris that may be accumulate there. Following up with a toner can also be helpful. This will help to close your pores back up and give your skin a nice, refreshed feeling. Be sure to moisturize after using a toner to keep your skin looking its best. If you use a facial steamer on a regular basis, you should start to see a difference in the appearance of your jawline. Your pores will be less visible and your skin will have a more radiant complexion. 4. Exfoliate your skin. If you want to achieve a sharp jawline, one of the best things you can do is to exfoliate your skin. This will help to remove any dead skin cells that might be clogging up your pores, and it will also give your skin a more radiant and youthful appearance. There are a few different ways that you can exfoliate your skin. One option is to use a facial scrub. These usually contain small beads or other exfoliating agents that will help to slough off dead skin cells. Another option is to use a chemical exfoliant. These are products that contain ingredients like glycolic acid or salicylic acid, which can help to break down the bonds between dead skin cells. Whichever method you choose, it's important to be gentle. Use circular motions when you are scrubbing your face, and avoid getting the scrub too close to your eyes. You should also only exfoliate a few times a week, as too much exfoliation can actually damage your skin. If you follow these tips, you'll soon see a noticeable difference in the appearance of your skin, and your jawline will be looking sharper than ever before. 5. Try facial exercises. There are a lot of different ways to achieve a sharp jawline, but one of the most effective methods is through facial exercises. By working out the muscles in your face, you can create a more defined jawline that will make you look more attractive and confident. Here are a few facial exercises that you can try to help get a sharp jawline. 1. Jaw clenches. Clench your teeth and jaw tightly shut, and then release. Repeat this exercise around 10 to 15 times. 2. Chewing gum. This may seem like a strange exercise, but chewing gum can actually help to tone the muscles in your face and jaw. It's best to chew sugar-free gum for this exercise. 3. Tongue exercises. Stick your tongue out as far as you can, and then make small circles with it. Repeat this exercise around 10 times. 4. Pucker up. Take a deep breath in and then pucker your lips tightly shut. Hold this position for 10 seconds before releasing. 5. Facial massage. Massage your face with your fingers, using circular motions. Pay extra attention to the muscles around your jawline. By doing these exercises regularly, you should start to see a difference in the appearance of your jawline. Remember to be patient, as it may take several weeks or even months to see results. And don't forget to lead a healthy lifestyle as well, as that can also impact the appearance of your jawline. Getting a sharp jawline requires a few specific lifestyle changes and a dedication to a skincare routine. First, you need to make sure you're staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water each day. Second, you need to eat a healthy diet that's high in protein and low in processed foods. Third, you need to get enough sleep each night to allow your skin to regenerate. Fourth, you need to exfoliate your skin regularly to remove dead skin cells and help stimulate new cell growth. Finally, you need to use a firming cream or serum specifically designed to tighten the skin around your jawline. By following these tips, you can achieve a sharp jawline that will make you look more youthful and attractive. If you like this video, tap the subscribe button and bell icon for more latest video.